A well-installed door enhances the security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your home. However, to ensure its longevity and optimal performance, regular maintenance is essential. Washington's diverse climate, ranging from rainy coastal conditions to dry inland weather, can impact your doors over time. By following proper maintenance practices, you can prevent common issues such as warping, drafts, and hardware malfunctions. Here's how to keep your door in top condition after installation. Regular cleaning for longevity. Cleaning wooden doors. Wooden doors add warmth and elegance to your home but require special care to prevent damage from moisture and temperature fluctuations. Dust your door weekly using a soft, dry cloth. Use a mild wood cleaner and a damp cloth to remove stains and dirt. Apply a protective wood polish or sealant to prevent moisture absorption and warping. Cleaning metal and fiberglass doors. Metal and fiberglass doors are durable but still need occasional cleaning. Wipe down the surface with a mild soap and water solution. Avoid using abrasive cleaners that could scratch or damage the finish. Rinse with clean water and dry with a soft cloth to prevent water spots. Inspect and maintain door hardware. Hinges and screws. Over time, door hinges and screws can loosen due to regular use. Inspect hinges monthly and tighten any loose screws. Lubricate hinges with a silicone-based lubricant to prevent squeaking and ensure smooth operation. Locks and handles. Door locks and handles are essential for security and functionality. Apply a graphite or silicone lubricant to locks every 6 months to keep them working smoothly. Check for signs of rust or wear and replace any malfunctioning hardware promptly. Weatherproofing your door. Washington's wet climate can cause doors to expand and contract, leading to air leaks and drafts. Proper weatherproofing helps maintain indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Seal and caulk gaps. Inspect the seal around the door frame for any cracks or gaps. Apply fresh caulk if necessary to keep moisture and drafts out. Replace worn-out weather stripping to improve insulation and prevent air leaks. Check for water damage. Look for swelling, discoloration, or soft spots on wooden doors, as these may indicate water damage. If necessary, sand and reseal affected areas to prevent further deterioration. Prevent warping and swelling. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to warping due to Washington's humidity levels. Maintain indoor humidity between 30–50% using a dehumidifier if necessary. Avoid excessive exposure to direct sunlight, which can cause expansion and fading. If warping occurs, consider using a door brace or consult a professional for adjustments. Seasonal maintenance tip. Spring and summer. Check for any signs of wood expansion due to increased humidity. Clean glass panels and door windows to enhance visibility and curb appeal. Repaint or reseal wooden doors to protect against moisture and UV damage. Fall and winter. Ensure weather stripping is intact to prevent cold air from seeping in. Lubricate locks and hinges to prevent freezing and stiffness. Remove any snow or ice buildup near the door to prevent swelling and sticking. Professional inspection and maintenance. While DIY maintenance can go a long way in preserving your door's condition, scheduling a professional inspection once a year can identify potential issues before they escalate. A professional can adjust door alignment and fix any sagging or misalignment. Inspect and repair any damage to the frame, seals, or locking mechanisms. Offer recommendations for long-term care based on Washington's specific climate conditions. Final thoughts. A properly maintained door enhances your home's security, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By following these maintenance steps, including regular cleaning, hardware inspections, weatherproofing, and seasonal adjustments, you can prolong your door's lifespan and prevent costly repairs. If you need expert assistance, consider consulting a local door specialist in Washington to keep your doors in top condition for years to come.